Hello and welcome. I have Ridhima Gulati with me. Congratulations, Ridhima. You qualified your NET exam in December 2019 in the subject of commerce. How are you feeling about this huge success?
Thank you so much for inviting me. I'm feeling very, very happy because the first thing that I have cleared my UGC NET exam in the first attempt only. So I almost started crying when I just saw my result. And the second thing was I always wanted to go in the teaching line only because I believe that the education sector not only we teach to others, but we get to know more knowledge and broaden our horizon for ourselves as well. So yeah, that's why.
Totally makes sense. I will agree with you here that being a teacher, you keep upgrading yourself each semester, every year. So tell us more about yourself. Where are you from and what are you doing right now in life?
I'm from Ludhiana. I'm a student. I cleared my UGC when I was pursuing my MCom only. I have done all my qualification in Ludhiana only, my bachelor's, my master's. So, yeah.
So sounds like you were in touch with these subjects and not much difficulty would have been there. But still, were there any challenges personally that you felt while preparing for this exam?
Yes, there were some challenges and hurdles. Like, I have a strong base in the practical, but not in the theoretical session. So, I just faced some difficulties in tax or the current affairs or to learn the years that we have to do in the paper one. So, yeah, so I started preparing that from 4 to 5 months earlier only for that sessions, especially. So, that was the difficult part.
What was your technique to remember so much, like numbers and years? What did
The
you do?
I just pointed out the notes. I just made my own notes, own points, highlight them, and the most important thing which I did, which actually helped me to crack that was, I just read only the relevant topics, not like the moti books. इतना पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं थी. So with the help of your study material also, like I used to give 4 to 5 hours a day to study. Then like for paper one and for paper two as well, I used to like only study the relevant materials, and then I used to give the online you have that given online platform. I used to give the test on that. The topic I have done, the next day I used to give the test. So मुझे पता लग जाता था कि where I stand, that what I have learned or what I have not. So yeah.
Okay, that's good strategy, I would say. So, for someone who's new to this exam, who doesn't know anything, what are the three tips that you would like to give a student who comes to you for advice?
The first thing I would say that don't be so scared. Students actually quite get scared like to listen to UGC exam. बहुत कुछ पढ़ना होगा. You just have to do a little bit of hard work and like have to like do a quick thinking and just revise everything. The second mistake I would say that students do is they study a lot of materials. 3-4 books लेकर they study यहाँ से भी पढ़ लेते हैं यहाँ से भी पढ़ लेते हैं. That is the wrong approach. You just have to go for the relevant topics which are related to your UGC subject for the paper you are going with. So human varieties was very, very helpful to me because I just used to give all the tests that I have studied for, and even they had the past year's paper as well. So the third advice I would give to students that you should always go for the past 5 to 10 years exams, because UGC adds 5 topics but eliminates also some topics, but the questions they have are almost similar. Like the marketing, kuch topics are almost same in every year. So you just have to focus on that subject and that topic rather than just rectification of all the topics. Yeah.
Okay. And thank you. It was lovely talking to you. Before concluding the interview, I would like you to give a tip to students, maybe a time-saving tip or something for some smart work that worked for you that may work for other people.
I would say you should make your own notes and some points. Like at the end of the exam, you just don't have to go through all the books. You just have to go through your notes and revise that. And the second thing, I would say you should make your schedule proper. Like you should give 2 to 3 hours at least to one subject, and don't go for like आज एक महीना paper 2 करते हैं, then next month we'll do paper 1. You will just get confused. You have to go simultaneously with both the papers, like 1 hour for paper 2 and 1 hour for paper 1. So that way you will just get revising all the things again and again. So at the even I had my post graduation exams when I gave my UGC paper. So I just had my notes and like quickly I go through that papers notes. So I revised all the stuff. I don't have to go through books.
Thank you so much. I think that was great advice to focus on paper 1 and paper 2 equally, because both are very important.
Yes.
And thank you for speaking with us and taking out time. I hope someone will benefit immensely from these tips that you provided us.
Thank you so much.
And I wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you.